Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your iPad without using the power button. If your iPad's power button isn't working, here are two different methods that you can use to take screenshots. This first method is the easiest one. First, go ahead and open your Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility that you will find between General and Apple Pencil. Once you're in this Accessibility tab, find and tap on Touch, and then go to AssistiveTouch, that is the initial option in this page, and turn it on. Once you turn it on, you will see a button appear on your screen. Double tap on it and select Screenshot. Now, if you double tap the Assistive Touch button, your iPad will take a screenshot, and it's very, very easy. And if you now double tap and select Screenshot, and if you double tap the Assistive Touch button, your iPad will take a screenshot, and it's very easy. That's the first method. The second method is by using the Siri. You can just simply tap on this Assistive Touch button, and here you will see the option of Siri, or you can just directly say, "Hey Siri," and the Siri will be activated on your iPad. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.